Hi everyone. Today we'll finalize the last part of the financial mathematics as a review of a grade 9. Okay, so normally you know that when you are short of cash, so you can buy and purchase some things on terms. So normally, as consequences, we should know that buying on terms, okay, we should put so we should put a deposit. Then we have monthly payments. So the total cost or the all amounts to pay is equal to the sum of the deposit with all the monthly payments. Okay, you know that by paying cash, you can save in amount a good amount of money. The amount saved by paying cash equal to the total cost. Okay, total cost when you are buying on terms. Okay, minus the original cost of the purchase. And so normally we have a total interest coming from buying on terms. It is equal to the amount saved by paying cash. Okay, and the amount borrowed is the original cost of the purchase minus the deposit. So it is equal to normally the amount to the sum of the all monthly payments. Okay, how to calculate the annual interest rate is the annual interest over the amount borrowed by 100 and so on. So normally you can find all these information, okay, indicated with this remark. So normally we have an outdoor furniture setting costing $1,788 can be bought on terms for 300 deposits. So we have a deposit and we have a 24 monthly installments of 90% and 4 cents dollar. Okay, so normally it is the sum of the deposit by the 24 monthly payments and each installment equal to $90.04. So what is the total is calculated and equal to $2,460.96. Okay, the amount of interest to pay equal to the cost of buying the furniture on terms minus the original one. This is the interest to pay. Also, you can imitate and you can use the same strategy, the same information mentioned here to try to solve the exercise 13 by yourself. What about the personal loan? Okay, the personal loan or the total cost of loan equal to the monthly repayment times monthly loan term plus loan application fee. So we have for each personal loan fee, we have a loan application fee, and we have a monthly repayment. And you should know that we have a monthly loan term, and the total cost of each loan exceed the amount borrowed is equal to the total cost of loan minus the original price of the purchase. For example, we have here the table how to calculate the monthly repayment on a loan. Okay, on the loan or the amount per $1,000 borrowed. Okay, and we have a different long term like for 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, and we have that for a different annual interest rate. Okay, up to starting from 10% to up to 14%. So normally we want to use this table below to calculate the monthly repayments on loan of 17,000. We should know that this table is for an amount per $1,000 borrowed for 5 years. So we should calculate the 5 years as long term in months. So normally 5 years is equal to 5 by 12. So it is like 60 months at 10.5% per annum. So 10.5 we have here So we have this one. So these two information across in this rate. So the monthly repayment for 1,000 equal to $21.21 $49.39. But we should know that this amount should be multiplied by 17 because we have a 17,000 borrowed and not 1,000. So the monthly repayment equal to 365%, $65 and 963 as we saw here. And also for the next one, we have the same or different idea, but basing on the same information to solve this exercise. One, we have two plans. We have two companies of car. We have A company and B company. They have two different deals for rent for the rent of a new Corolla. So normally, A1 car hire code charges $70 per day. So 70 per day, all up with unlimited kilometers. So the deal is what without counting the kilometers of using this car. So 70% for per day, all up with unlimited kilometers. B1 car rentals charges $52 per day, but we have a plus 12 cents for each kilometer traveled. Okay, normally we want to find for each case, for each kilometer traveled, for each indicated kilometers traveled, which company is the cheaper. So normally I want to find for to search for the cheapest company if the cars traveled 100 kilometers. So for a company, we have like fixed, we have a constant fee like $70 without extra charges on kilometer. Okay, so normally it is $70 per day. For the company B, we have a $50.12 per kilometer traveled. So 12% is it 12 over 100 by 100. The second 100 refers to the number of kilometers traveled, so equal to $64. Normally, the company B remains cheaper than deal of A for the 100 kilometer. Finally, the last idea that we want to review is about goods and services tax. We should know that it is the federal tax known as the goods and services tax. In Australia, it is calculated at the rate of 10% of the purchase price of the goods or services, and it is called GST. Okay, the term percent. So normally price including GST is the original cost of goods plus tax GST. The tax is the 10% of their original cost. We can also calculate it as a price in different way. We can calculate it by 1.10 times the price excluding GST. So we know that it is the original cost of goods. And so it is very easy. They ask us to calculate the GST included in the price of a pair of shoes costing $149 price including GST. This is the price including GST. So if it is the cost including GST, so it is easy. We can divide it by 11 to find. We can divide it GST. We want to find GST, so it is the price including GST by 11. So it is normally 13. The tax is $13.56. These are the ideas that we want to explain for financial mathematics and to review from grade 9. Study well. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.